Kuru is a rare and fatal neurodegenerative disorder that was once prevalent among the Fore people in the eastern highlands of Papua New Guinea. The disease gained international attention in the mid-20th century due to its unusual characteristics and its association with ritualistic cannibalism practiced by the Fore people. Here are key aspects of Kuru disease. Transmission. 1. Kuru is caused by prions, which are misfolded proteins that can induce abnormal folding of other normal proteins. The transmission of Kuru occurred primarily through the ritualistic consumption of the brains and nervous tissues of deceased relatives during funeral rites. Symptoms. 1. The symptoms of Kuru include difficulty walking, loss of coordination, tremors, and progressive difficulty swallowing. As the disease advances, patients become increasingly immobile and bedridden. Kuru has a long incubation period, often lasting several years, before symptoms manifest. Cannibalism and rituals. 1. Kuru was linked to the Fore people's practice of mortuary cannibalism, where deceased relatives' brains were consumed as a way of honoring and incorporating the deceased's traits. 2. The Fore people discontinued these practices in the late 1950s, leading to a decline in the incidence of Kuru. Discovery and research. 1. The link between Kuru and cannibalistic practices was established by Australian immunologist D. Carlton Guidasek, who received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1976 for his work on Kuru. 2. The decline of Kuru cases provided valuable insights into the nature of prion diseases, shedding light on the potential infectious nature of misfolded proteins. Prevalence. 1. Kuru is now extremely rare, with no new cases reported since the late 20th century. 1. The decline is attributed to the cessation of cannibalistic rituals. Prion diseases. 1. Kuru is part of a group of diseases known as transmissible spongiform encephalopathies, TSEs, or prion diseases, which also include Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, CJD, in humans and bovine spongiform encephalopathy, BSE, or mad cow disease, in cattle. While Kuru is a historical example, prion diseases remain an area of scientific interest due to the unique mode of transmission and potential implications for understanding other neurodegenerative disorders.